do it. I'll do it.
No, I know more pistols are coming. More pistols are coming.
Dave, go for it. Go for it.
Go for it.
Okay. I'm gonna drop a nade.
Throwing out a grenade.
Jesus Christ.
So
I hope
good.
they come to spawn.
This is called the Chronicles of Smooth Brain.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4". It's like that and it's like this. I took her to the pad and we started. Now my dick's so hard, you know what I'm thinking. Took the panties off and the pussy wasn't stinking. Pulled off my drawers and I started to pussy's wet, so
You get every fuel that we need. Hey, Charles, like this.
Now this bus was easier by being off. Really
Don't do that.
Your pistol is always faster than reloading.
See, this is why I don't get killed.
Wow.
Let's go.
No!
That was sick.
They're both like 61 on 1.
Not watching.
Monkey apes.
Speaking of
Watch
scout
me,
frags,
monkey
so
apes.
can we bomb?
He dead.
Whoop.
Got him.
There's more.
Yeah,
I'm alone.
On A site.
Grenade out.
What?
It's called Zeus.
Tracking gum.
Just one shot, dude.
Why am I so shit?
Keegan Dink Nick.
Oh no, Nick, don't get any ideas. Nick?
I'm dead.
He's a fucking
Keegan, it was a nice
disaster.
one tap. You gotta give it to him. Of course, when I turn around to get beat by an arm. Careful.
David, are you okay? Somebody was just like,
Get in and get out, guys.
Right side.
Oh, there's another one right side.
Massive legend here.
What was he doing? I don't... What was he looking at?
The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
Matthew? You okay?
Opening fire. Fire in the hole.
What the fuck? I saw you both...
Oh no! Somebody needs to throw an HE. Somebody buy an HE, please.
The wardrobe, the witch, and the audacity of this bitch.
I could be then, eh?
Yeah. Alright, Nick, go there, man. It's fun.
Instant karma.
Did you see that, Geek?
I did. I watched that.
Hit him! Yeah, this Nick guy, right, Mike? Yeah, he's retarded.
Get retarded on, kid. You're so
No,
free.
I called you a retard,
I know, but I don't care. I'm literally speaking to this retard guy. You know, the smooth brain type.
man. Yeah, yourself? I know.
No, the guy who literally has his profile picture as Josh. You know, if you have your profile picture as Josh, you're literally smooth brain, just like Josh
It's not
is.
Josh. It's solid
Sorry?
osmium.
No, it's
Sorry,
that
yes,
pussy
it's
form.
solid osmium, literally 0 cells in there.
It's the even
It's
realer
just
eat that
atoms
pussy
that are so
4
cold they're not even moving because they're at absolute 0. Because Josh has absolutely 0 thoughts running around in his fucking brain.
It's not even here and he's getting shit on.
You have to kill the man, Nick.
Give me that